Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video I am going to teach you how to create a EKS cluster in AWS. For that we have the diagram over here. So first we need to create a IAM role and we need to create a EKS instance like a Ubuntu or Amazon Linux machine. From there we need to configure the AWS CLI, EKCTL, kubectl. From there only we are creating AWS cluster. For for that I have prepared the documentation which is available from the GitHub. So moving to lab session, I need to go to the documentation where it is exactly available in AWS setup. Moving that, so I have the documentation over here. Select the documentation and here is the steps available which we are going to perform now. So and I'm going to my AWS account. Go to my AWS account, launch instance, type EKS cluster, select Ubuntu machine, create a new key value pair like EKS, then you need to create a security group and let it be for configuration same, and I'm selecting one instance. So select a launch instance. My instance has been launched and selecting so now I have a launch instance. Now we are going to connect with the EC2 instance, then we are configuring AWS CLI, EKCTL and kubectl. So for that I need to be connect with my EC2 instance. Here it is my EC2 instance details over here. Here's the instance ID, public IP address and private IP address and all the details available here. And I'm going to connect now. Then copy this, and I'm using for in order to connect this machine git bash CLI. So your wish, if you are having for the booty or other things, you can use it. Myself I'm using for git bash. So moving to a directory called downloaded, then you need to enter this command. So bring s. So now I have connected the Ubuntu machine. We have to perform this AWS CLI and EKCTL and kubectl, and before that I need to be create IAM role. I need to be attached the Ubuntu machines. So for that I'm going to AWS account and go to dashboard and search for IAM. Now go to here, create a role, and I need to be selected for AWS services and EC2 instance. Next, then type for admin full access, admin full access, select this, and next give it for role name EKS and create a role for that. Then in order to attach this role to our EC2 instance, go to dashboard, or here it is, need to come here, instance, select instant and action, go to security, modify the IAM role, attach the role, action, security, attach the EKS role, update IAM role. So now we have a updated for our IAM role, and we have a created for EKS instant, and we need to configure the AWS CLI, EKCTL and kubectl. For that I need to go here and copy this and come to git bash, make clear and run it. And again come to documentation. For installing AWS CLI, you just copy this and come git bash CLI, enter it. So now AWS CLI configured, and also we just come here, we are going to install for EKCTL command. Just copy this, come to here. So EKCTL also has been installed. Then come to here. So we already created IAM role and it's been attached for EKS host like our Ubuntu machines, and create a EKS cluster using this command. So for syntax, this is a EKS create a cluster hyphen hyphen name cluster name and which region hyphen hyphen region name and node type and node and maximum node and zones. So I'm going to use either North Virginia or Mumbai region. So for that we need to understand which region we are available. So right now I'm there for Mumbai region, and come to here documentation. So I'm using Mumbai region, so I'm copying this, then paste it here. It may take some time, so it takes some time to in order to create a version, sorry, EKS cluster. Wait for some time. So name I given up for EKCTL, create a cluster hyphen hyphen name Siva cluster 1, and the region I have mentioned our Mumbai region AP South 1, the node type T2 medium, and zone I have mentioned that AP South 1A and AP South 1B. So the cluster going to create those places, we can check it later. So now if you come to our AWS account, search for AKS and select the Kubernetes Service. If you select here, you can able to see status over here, the cluster creating. So mine still is creating, it's maybe take some time, wait for some time to check later. So now we have created EKS cluster so successfully. If you see this our dashboard, go to your EKS clusters and you can see the status, our cluster up and running. So this is what we need to create for EKS cluster. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, like and share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.